Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I would like to go over Mastercard today. So yesterday, as you can see, stock market had a really nice day with Nasdaq up over 1%. And I've covered American Express, Discover, and Visa over the past few days. So Mastercard would be the next and probably last one of these. They all do payment processing, and they all do it pretty much the same way. Current price is $320, which gives them a market cap of $323 billion, which is about 25% smaller than Visa, but still 3 times American Express size. Current dividend yield is 0.51%, which is not great, with a 15% payout ratio, which that put together looks slightly better than Visa at 0.61% with a 19% payout ratio, but at these tiny numbers, I don't think it really makes a difference. Revenue $15 billion, earnings $5.9 billion, which is up 50%, but I wouldn't expect that growth to continue. Current PE is 48 with a forward PE of 35, which is extremely high. Total assets $25 billion, total liabilities $19 billion, which gives them total stockholders' equity of $5.4 billion. That is down slightly, but really nothing to be concerned about. Overall, I would say that pretty much all of these numbers are, except for the dividend, except for the payout ratio, really, are worse than Visa. So if you're making a choice, I would prefer Visa over Mastercard at this point. Most of these numbers are worse than Discover. So if you're making a choice, then I think that Discover would probably beat all of the rest at this point. But to make it stock specific and kind of sum it up, the balance sheet looks good, but not great. The dividend is meh. Revenue and earnings are growing at a reasonable pace, and that's a really good thing. But the PE is very high and probably prices that in. So overall, I would say that there's no reason for anyone to buy the stock because there's better opportunities out there. But at the same time, it's not a bad stock, so there's no reason not to buy the stock either. I just think that there's many better opportunities. So if you're investing money, I don't think you should go with Mastercard right now. I think you should go with probably any of the other stocks this week. Visa has a way better PE. Discover has a way better dividend yield and payout ratio. And American Express, very solid, better dividend, better payout ratio. So not sure what else to say here. Wouldn't blame anyone for buying the stock, but I don't think that there's really a reason to buy it. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.